Welcome everyone to Illinois Institute of Technology in the beautiful city of Chicago. The Windy City is an energetic global city, consistently voted among the best cities in the country. Just a few miles from downtown and less than a mile from Lake Michigan's stunning beaches, you'll find Illinois Tech, a world-class private university where you can earn a high-impact degree in a STEM major, as well as business, architecture, law, design, and humanities, all with a tech edge. What's even better than that? Illinois Tech will provide you with guaranteed hands-on experiences, from internships to research opportunities, plus a personalized career plan. The payoff, it is huge. Illinois Tech offers generous scholarship packages. It's ranked among the best value universities in the US, and its alumni earn some of the highest salaries in the country. Let's go inside Chicago's premier comprehensive tech university and see all Illinois Tech has to offer. Welcome to Illinois Tech. This is the College Tour.